Hi guys, welcome to the Craft Time Studio. If you're new here to my channel, I post crafty things every Saturday, so I hope you do consider liking and subscribing. For this tutorial, I will be sharing with you another popular clay technique, which is the chain link. For this, you will need polymer clay, a clay cutter with a hole on the center, a clay needle, an Xacto knife, and liquid Sculpey. First, I condition my clay and roll it out into the number 4 setting on my roller. I'm doing a very simple abstract slab and getting a lighter blue clay, which are rolled out into the number 7 setting. I just tear out bits of light blue clay and carefully place it on my main slab. Then, I gently roll out everything into the number 3 setting. I get my cutter and push it down on the slab and remove the excess clay. Then I also get the center out. I roll out the leftover slab carefully so that I can get a second slab that is a little bit more distorted. Then I go ahead and use my cutter again to make a second pair. I get my first pair and make neat cuts. This is where I will link the second pair that I made. I get two pieces of glass, placing one glass on top of the other. One link goes on the first glass and the second one on the second glass so that they don't stick together. Then I attach the cut portions with the liquid Sculpey. An optional step that I took was to cover the cut further with a little bit of the light blue clay. Once I smooth this out, I get my clay needle and poke a hole on the top, which is where my earring findings will go. Then, I bake all of these. Once the pieces are baked, I sand them to clean the edges. And then I attach the jump rings and dangling earrings. And there you have it, simple chain link earrings. You can spruce this up by making different designs on your slab. I hope that you learned something new today. See you next Saturday for more clay and craft tutorials. Bye!